This is ChatGPT refusing to build a trading strategy. Now, not a simple one to be fair, but 3 Confluence systems that vote on every single trade. ATR position sizing, partial exits, trading stops, session times, and a daily loss limit, and a live dashboard on top. ChatGPT looked at all of that and said 700 to 1200 lines of code can't do it without syntax errors or missing pieces. So it quit. Well, today I'm building 2 strategies with traders indicators, a normal one first so you can see how this works, and then I'm going to paste the exact strategy ChatGPT refused to touch, word for word. Watch what happens. So this is the first indicator. We're going to be building it for TradingView, and the idea is it's going to build a multi-time frame indicator showing 15-minute, 1 hour and 4 hour time frames. It's going to show the trend direction using the 50 EMA and the RSI. It's going to display a little table in the corner showing the status. So it's going to include colors for bullish and bearish and an overall Confluence score. And it's going to have a highlighted background as well to mimic the bullish or bearish side of things. So everything's going to be non-repainting. Let's see how ChatGPT does. Right, let's see how it does. So here we go, it's building away, and I can already see one error straight away. It's building in version 5. I know PineScript is version 6 now. But yeah, let it just do its thing. Let's just get rid of that, it's annoying. Keep going. Right, so there we go, trend logic, Confluence score, yada yada yada. Let's copy this and put this into TradingView. So there we go, copy, bring the TradingView chart over. Okay, so we've got the editor on the right hand side here. Let's paste that in and add to chart. And we got an error. Not surprised. Surprised it's only 2. So there's a syntax error there on number 5 and version 5. I already pointed that one out straight away. So the best thing we can do there is just highlight those with ChatGPT. So we'll just mention about it being on the wrong version. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy and paste, and copy that. And then I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. And I'm going to just paste, well, I'm just going to put in 2 errors with this. I'm going to highlight number 1. We are on version 6, not version 5, and to getting this error on line 65. Now just paste the error in, bang, and let's see what it does. Oh, you're right, it knows exactly where the error is coming from. Lovely, great. Oh, hang on a second. It's actually telling us to replace, so okay, chances are if you're building this through AI, you're not a coder, so it's asking you to learn to know where to swap things over. No. Rewrite the entire script, please. I mean, come on, they shouldn't be expecting you to do that. So, right, here we go, thank you. So now we're getting the, and the irony's not lost on me saying thank you to a computer. But it's rewritten it, let it do its thing. Okay, so we are good, let's copy. Let's go back into TradingView, let's remove that, Control A, delete, and let's paste this again. Fingers crossed, this works. Ah, for crying out loud. Okay, so as you can see, this is 2 attempts already now, and we're getting another error. And believe me, I've tried this before, we're gonna get this a lot. So here we are on Traders Indicators, and this is the same prompts that we used. We used in TradingView. So it's just analyzing everything that you're asking it to do. It's also then putting in all the different components, the entry, exits, etc., and all the gist of it there. Now what it does is really cool. It actually starts streaming the script writing process for you. So you can actually sit there and watch the script being written in the first place. So it's going to carry on and do this until it's completed. Whilst it's doing that, I'll just mention that Traders Indicators, you can go in, sign up, and build your first indicator free. You can't download or copy the code because obviously you have to subscribe, but you can actually make sure and have a look and see the code being built and see whether or not it's something you want to actually add to your charts. We have a load of really cool features coming up soon, but that will be for another day. I'm constantly working on improving this, but I want you guys to see exactly what the difference is when things get built through traders indicators. So here we go. Script is done. Let's copy that script over and then let's paste that into TradingView. So let's bring TradingView in, and we're going to paste the script in and edit a chart. And look at that, first time. As you can see, actually it's a fully bullish environment. Everything's above the RSI, everything's above the EMA, and trend is bullish. So that's it working first time with traders indicators. Now we do have a section at the bottom just in case it doesn't work for some reason. Not everything is going to be 100%, there may be something slightly off, but this is more intuitive because it knows the rules. You do have a section you can actually amend and change what, if there's an error, you can paste that in and it will fix that error for you on the rare occasion that it happens. Okay, so this is the second indicator. Well, this is going to be a strategy actually. So I want to make this complicated. You can pause this and just read through exactly what it's doing, but I've deliberately made this complicated so that when you play with this, at the end of the day, you're not going to be creating an indicator to do an EMA crossover. You want something that's going to be complicated and have many moving parts. That's what trading is, and that's what indicators are for. So here we go. So let's put this one into ChatGPT and let's see how this one performs. So we'll paste that in. You can see it's all in there, yada, yada, yada. Right, lovely jubbly. And we'll just add on the end of it, build this for Ninja Trader. And yep, there we go. So let's do it, see what happens. Okay, it's giving me two different responses. Let's see what it's saying. So response number one, 3 independent, supporting ATR position, 1200 lines of code. Hang on, is this actually refusing to? Holy hell, wow. Yeah. It won't compile, this is substantial, yada yada yada. I can accurately generate a single response without, it isn't something I can accurately generate without creating an issue. Wow, so ChatGPT has actually refused to even write this code because it felt it was too complicated. Wow. Okay, so let's try this in with traders indicators. And so we've pasted the prompt into here, and we are going to do the analyzing. Now I'm not going to speed up any of this, but realistically, even according to ChatGPT's lines, this would be very complicated and it would take a developer at least a day to start coding this. So let it do its analysis, and here it's broken it down. It's got strategy at the top and the different systems, the EMAs. Let's confirm and generate this. Now, if this is less than 500 lines of code, I am going to be very, very surprised. So here we go, there's the name. You can actually put your own name in there if you wanted to. I keep forgetting to do it, to be honest, but it is there if you wanted to. And we're just going to let it keep going. And like I said, I'm not going to speed any of this up. I want you to see exactly how quick this is in comparison to everything that's out there. Now, for an indicator like this, you're easily going to be paying a developer $500 to $1,000 for this. If you go to, I know, a company that sells indicators, again, they're going to sell you a subscription, $100, $200 a month just to keep access to this. Our prices are ridiculously low for what it can provide, but it's still going. Like I said, I would be surprised if it was less than 500 lines of code. Still going now. And we're done. How many lines of code did we take in the end? Yeah, 545 lines. So we're going to copy that. And then we're going to open up NinjaTrader, add a new strategy. Don't need to do anything, just click generate. Let's delete all this and paste in all that glorious 545 lines of code and compile it. Now, fingers crossed. Remember, ChatGPT even refused because it was just too complicated for it. But let's see it. It's done. It's compiled with 0 errors. Now let's see what it looks like on the charts. So that's what it's called, the IF triple Confluence. Like I said, you can change the name on this in the system if you wanted to when you're generating the code. So we're going to add in triple Confluence, and then we enable it, and anything. There we go. It works. With the Confluence, the table there in the corner, the win rate. To be honest, it's not bad as a scalping tool, I've got to say. Getting in longs at the right time. I mean, obviously it's waiting and sometimes taking a loss because it's just looking too much profit, but screw it, on NQ, that's a nice scalping tool. I might look at that a bit further. So let's put this in. Let's just do a quick check on this based on the last 6 months. Let's just run it. So, yeah, that's the analysis. Oh Christ, bit of a drawdown. Wow, profit factor 0.81. But like I said, I think scalping this could actually work. 135,000, 168,000 lost. Christ. Anyway, look, that's what I wanted to show you guys. Look, ChatGPT even refused to code this indicator, this strategy, because they felt it was too complicated. Traders Indicators, in less than 5 minutes, coded it, and you put it onto your charts, and it's there, it's working. Like I said, you can generate your first one for free. If you want to download it or use it, you subscribe, but pricing wise, it's actually relatively good. Thanks very much, guys. Keep watching. We're going to do a load more. We're going to push this and test this, and we've got some amazing features coming out in the future. So keep an eye on this. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this and you want to see more. Tell me what you want to see more. Give me something to put in here to test it. I want to really stress test this. So yeah, put in the comments anything you think you want to add or something you want me to try. I'll pick the best ones and I'll do another video for it. Until then, I'll see you then.